can see my lead melting equipment back there behind me. You'll also notice when I have my Enfield in my hand. And I just thought I'd do a quickie on this gun. I bought 150 rounds of this stuff, and it's a 147 grain bullet, and it's the 38 Smith & Wesson PPU ammo. And I bought it mainly just for the brass, and plus I wanted to shoot it for the first time, so I bought some ammo already made. So I got me a Lee 2-cavity mold, and it's a LH, is probably left hand, 358-200 mold, and they drop out a little small, about 358. And I see I smoked the mold, and it worked great on the first round. And then I powder coated them, and then I made a dummy, which I've since pulled apart and loaded. And I started it tall with my die set. I got a Lee die set for 38 Smith & Wesson, and I kept bumping the overall length down till it would drop in the chamber, in the cylinder, and so that's where I'm at. I can't tell you what the overall length is. I don't care at the moment. This is my first time trying it, so I'm using 1.5 grains of unique, and the powder coating brought the diameter out just a little bit. And then I used a 9mm bullet sizing die to kind of just knock any dingleberries off of the powder coating, and it worked just fine. It's a Fiocchi small pistol primer in there, and like I said, 1.5 grains of unique, and the information I got was unique from 1.4 to 1.7 grains, and I wanted to bump it up just a little bit. I didn't want to start at 1.4 because I didn't want to get a squib. So I haven't fired it yet, but I can tell you, I'm not going to put it over the cylinder though, that, it's got a good fit in there. There's still a little bit of cylinder play in there, and so that's where I'm at with that. I didn't get to the range this weekend because I was working on my Set Me See, and I was over at the welder for several hours working with the welder on how I wanted to get the Set Me receiver welded. So I didn't get out to the range this week. I'll probably try next week to get out there. But that's where I'm at with the Enfield. And as you know, when I got this pistol, I had the wrong grips on it, so I ordered some grips. You'll notice it has a steel disc instead of a brass disc. Well, that's correct for this period, for this gun. This gun is a 1945 stamped gun, and the later war models, from what I read, had the steel disc. So, yeah, the grips fit me nice. I like this grip, actually. I don't know. I like the way it fits my hand. I like that little thing right there. And, yeah, I like it. It feels good. Okay, folks. That's where I'm at. That's all I got done this weekend. And I'll see you in the next video.